Here's into Bradley around Luongo. In the clear. A shot. He scores! Bradley and power play goal! Clear to center now. Grabbed by John Tucker. Here he comes with Malte and Bradley. To Bradley right in. Backhander. He scores! Bradley has done it again! He's teaming in short at 1-1. Hammer looking center to Bradley. He busts through there. Right in a shot. Is he ever hot? Bradley, good pass now to Drulia. Shot, save, rebound, they score! Bradley continues his red-hot pace as he scores his 6th of the year.